Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Once again I'm here with another wonderful amazing video, beautiful hairstyles compilations that I have carefully selected for you. This hairstyle is so beautiful. Please, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to put on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I upload a beautiful trendy video like this. And to my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you very much. Welcome back to my channel. Keep on watching Stylish Baby TV. So into this video I'm going to be showing you beautiful colorful hairstyles that are trendy. These hairstyles, they're so colorful, they're so unique. You can rock this hairstyle with any beautiful color hair extension that you love. I love this hairstyle because of the color combination. Please, I would love you to watch this video to the end. You will definitely love these hairstyles. They're so beautiful, they're so unique. Please don't forget to tell me your favorite color in the comment section below. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.